How to subscribe and save on groceries using Amazon. Hello and welcome back everybody. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow if we want to do so. Without any delay, let's just dive right into the video and get started. So we can start by opening up the Amazon website or the application, and we can sign in into your account if you're not signed in. And all we gotta do is search for grocery staples. So once you are signed in, you can just go and look out for grocery staples such as snacks or anything else. Go ahead and search for it, hit enter, and find the specific snack that you would like to purchase. Now, all we gotta do is open up the product page. For example, these Nutella biscuits, you can open the product page and look out for the option called subscribe and save under the buying options. So go ahead and find that option usually like this. So right below the product page, you should be finding an option for subscribe and save. You can look out for it on your right hand side as well before you check out. And once you find this item, you can just go over and choose this option right here instead of one-time purchase. And you can just go and choose up the quantity, how much you would like, and the delivery frequency as well. Once it is done, you can review the discounted price and you can just go over and look out for the setup now or sign up and buy first delivery and go ahead and complete the checkout. And if you do so, you will be getting different benefits such as automatic repeat deliveries, discounts on eligible items, free delivery on many subscription. You can skip, pause, change dates, or cancel anytime. But usually this is how you should be able to subscribe and save on groceries items. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.